So, after thinking about effect and form in translating the poem, here is my next decision, and this is a fun one. What's the most interesting place to start? I don't always want to start at the beginning. Think about it, when you're reading a story or listening to a song or watching a movie, some parts will be more interesting than others. And poems are the same. When you read them, some parts will stand out for you. Pay attention to these because they are sometimes the best places to start translating. For me, in Mish, this is the most fun place to start. It tells me one should move from a bedroom without a teddy bear to mom and dad's bedroom. I just love it because this is the sentence which has the effect I want. It tries to be funny while pretending to be serious. So I think that if I get this part right, I think it can be easy for the other parts to fall into place. I'm going to start here. Remember, you can start anywhere else, and there is no right or wrong place to start translating. Here's my starting point in the original poem, but looking at the poem now, I see I'm going to need something more than just that. You'll remember that I want rhymes in my poem, so I need this line as well, because it rhymes with the next line. So let me take these 4 lines and we'll start working with them. Now I have my 4 lines and I can see or hear that they rhyme. I'm just going to type in the first draft of my translation here. This is word for word. It doesn't rhyme yet, and I will improve this. But you can already see that I have 4 lines and that I have my ideas in each of the lines. It is also known, not from today, that from a bedroom without a teddy bear, one should move in installments to the bedroom of mom and dad. I'm also beginning to get that serious funny effect here that I wanted, but let me work on this some more. I normally start thinking about rhymes at this point because I really, really like rhymes. So I'm going to rewrite my first line a bit, and I'm going to have it say, it should also be obvious that. And then I'm going to move line 4 to be my new line 2. I'm doing this because I like the rhyme. And now I have, it should also be obvious that the bedroom of your mom and dad. I'm doing this because I like the rhyme, and it's totally okay. You're building your own translation, and you're going to make your translation do your own things. And you can see that in these 2 lines, I still have a similar meaning to what I had originally. So now I have lines in 1 and 4, but I still need the ideas from line 2 and 3. I really want one of the rhyming words to be bear. So line 2 is the one I'm thinking about first. But thinking about it right now, I'm probably going to put it down last, because here's what I have in mind. Okay, so here's my translation. It should also be obvious that the bedroom of your mom and dad is where you should move and sleep there if your room is without a teddy bear. It is different from the original. You see, I changed the line order because I liked the ideas for the rhyming words. I also made the sentence stop after the last line, and you'll see there isn't a full stop there in the original. But I like what I have now, and I have 4 rhyming lines, which are trying to be serious, but end up being a tiny bit funny. So that's the effect I wanted, and that's the form I wanted. So I'm happy with where I got to, with the place which I found was the most interesting place to start in a poem. So that's how it worked, and I'll see you in the next part.